Hi, I'm Tada of Mada Tsukaeru de. Mada Tsukaeru de is Japanese, meaning you can still use it. So let's repair it yourself and save money, energy, and resources. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove and replace the alternator. Actually, my case I didn't have the bad alternator. My alternator is relatively new, but the I had to remove it to replace the thermostat underneath the alternator. So I decided to make a separate video of replacing the alternator. That's really straightforward. The only pain point is the how to align the both holes of the alternator and the engine block. And other than that, it's really straightforward. Oh, another tricky part is the fan belt removal and put it back. I'm gonna show you some nice trick to avoid the mess of the fan belt. So I'm gonna remove the push pins here. Actually, I put the on push pin because most of the push pins are gone. Okay. And just disconnect the ground side is enough. Oh. Now it's safe to work. Okay, now I'm gonna work on the fan belt. I think taking out the fan belt is not that difficult if you have a tool. So this is the tool, 90mm socket with long arm, and there is a 90mm bolt head here, right here. And if you turn this clockwise, the pulley just on the left side of this bolt gonna push back, and then the fan belt get loose. And but the pulling back, once the fan belt routing is screwed up, the pulling back the fan belt is kind of a pain unless you remove a tire and remove the cover. If you can access from the bottom, it's gonna be very easy, but accessing only from the top, it's really a pain. It's not impossible though, but I'll try not to screw up the fan belt. Okay, I actually released that and put the tape on it so that this guy has a kind of tension, so that the fan belt in the deep left down not gonna be off the pulleys. And if once it's off the pulleys, it's not impossible to reroute it, but it was really pain when that happened. So I will try to keep this in place by holding this like this with the tape, and I'm gonna move on to the removal of the alternator. Okay, all the connectors are removed. So what you're gonna do is there's a screw here and 2 screws down. I think I thought it's 3, but there might be just two screws. Okay, this bolt is a 14 millimeter head. So I'm gonna start releasing it. There we go. Okay, since this tape doesn't really work well, I decided to put this guy here so that it's tensioned on the pulleys, all the other pulleys, only free from the alternator. Okay, so the bottom one I'm gonna use 12 millimeter long socket, and the position is around here. Yeah, it's here. So I hope you see this position. It's around here. So I'm gonna remove the bottom one first. Okay, so this is the bottom bolt with 12 millimeter, and top one, I think no, it can pivot. Yes, you can wiggle. So that's the only screw. Is 2 screws. All right, so top one is long one. All right. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna take this bit off. So, if you're watching the video only for the alternator removal replacement, now you got the new alternator. Just put it back. I'm gonna do that later after I replace the thermostat, but for only replacing the alternator, it's easy. Just remove it and put it back. Okay, top screw is in now. Alignment of this hole was really pain. I used the Allen wrench to align the hole, and I'm gonna put the bottom. This is also a pain, I think, to get the alignment done. Okay, I think I got the threads in. So bottom one is 12 millimeter. Okay, top one is tight. Okay, bottom one is tight. All right. Now I'm gonna put the fan belt. Again, I'm gonna use this 19mm thing. Put it in here. And then this guy. So there's a slip pulley on your, actually I'm holding it with my left hand right now. I'm gonna remove that. I'm gonna actually slip off the belt from the slip-in pulley. That is the pulley I'm gonna slip in when I do move the other pulley actually. So I put the, okay, now the belt is on the alternator, but it's off the slip pulley. So I'm gonna do something like, okay. Tricky. Okay, now it's on. I'm gonna double check. So I think the key point is prevent the fan belt off the pulley of the deep inside or the components, like a motor, main pulley, or the other components. Once that happens, it's gonna be really difficult to reroute it because the space is really tight. Okay, that's well done. I'm gonna put back the electric port. Everything, all the wire is still shaped, so it's actually automatically fit into. That's cool. Okay, 10mm socket. And connectors. This guy goes to the AC. Keep it off the cooling or the spinning parts. Okay, alternator is on, all the connector is on. Okay, then I'm gonna connect the negative